And guess what? We got caught up in some kind of ultra race where people run for 6 hours. And I don't know, apparently you can go how many miles you can go. So we got caught up in that. And at first we were going the opposite direction as those people, but then at one point what happened was you had to cross the creek. And yeah, we couldn't, because you had to cross over on this log. And yeah, we definitely didn't dare to do that because we didn't want to end up in the creek. So then we turned around and we followed the same direction as the runners. So we're on that part right now. And so consequently, our little 2 mile is turning into 4 or 5. I'm estimating 4 something. But yeah, we literally had to turn around and come back how we came. So yeah, that's what we're doing right now. So I don't know, it's kind of adventurous actually. It's fun to see the runners. They're like runners of all ages. So this is a magic number event. Yeah, so Maryville College. I don't know why I just talked about Hawassi, but that's another local college. But yeah, so Maryville College is a very nice college for our local students. They give scholarships, and so people don't have to pay tuition if they get a scholarship. So if you have to pay full price, it's actually $100,000 a year. So that's definitely not affordable. But it's a nice college. They even have a football team. And yeah, here's a little opening. We came through here earlier today. So yeah, if you get caught up in a race, you have no choice. You just, I mean, what are we gonna do? We couldn't just get off trail because you're stuck here. And we tried to escape the trail actually, but we couldn't cross the creek. So what do you do? So it's been kind of muddy. But these people they're all going strong still. So yep, this is Maryville College. The Woods Trail. It's called the Woods Loop actually. You can look it up on all trails. Alright folks, this is Camino Teacher. If you want to follow my channel, you can. Just make sure that you like and subscribe, and you will help my channel.